Oh yeah. Oh, the music stopped. I was jamming out here for like 2 minutes. We're playing Don't Press the Button because it was what was popular maybe 2 months. No, I don't think it was. Uh-oh. What the frick? I don't know what I was supposed to. I want to press it. No, I want to. Deliver pizza. Oh, like this? Pizza! I remember that stupid noise. Pizza! See, dude, I'm such a cool dude. Like, I'm gonna close the chat. I don't like it. I'm the first one. Shut up. Oh my! What? I didn't get it. That's not fair! I didn't even get a chance. Not fair. Oh, wait. Don't run off the edge this time, Clayton. You idiot. Oh, God. That was it? It was just that meme? Oh, dude, I like the default music that they use, like, in the music little editing. Oh my gosh, everyone else here sucks. Holy crap, they're all terrible. Oh my gosh. You're terrible. Ooh, this is getting fast. I don't like it. No. No, I have terrible timing, so normally I suck at these spinners. Huh. Trash.
I like singing. I like dancing.
Oh, God. Yep, knew it. Dude, is everyone on the server like an idiot? Oh, God. Come on, dude. If I die to the person that died on the laser spitter, like, first, I'm just gonna die in my chair, dude. That got him. There. Okay. Trash again.
It's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life. It's a banana
next to a banana. I'm really hoping no copyrighted audio shows up. Bro. I can't let them see me like this. I'm as talented as iFin80. Why'd you Fin 80?
That's a lot of damage.
What? Shut up, Phil Swift. Hi, I'm just gonna go away from everything that ever existed. Why? I found the meaning of life. It's to collect the diamond in Fortnite. Oh my gosh. Oh, never mind. There is no meaning of life.
It's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life.
God. I really don't want to have to mute anything, so I'm really hoping no copyrighted audio. Oh God. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. Come on, I've gotta use my flamingo skills. Let's see how much I've really learned. What? This is crap. This is so stupid. Hold on, my Funko Pop fell. I wish that my TV had a monitor so I could do face cam, but I can't. Score a goal. Okay. Stop having a stroke. Stop. Mom said it's my turn. Stop. Mom said it's my turn, dang it. I'm gonna report you on Xbox Live. I'm reporting you. I'm reporting all of you on Xbox Live. What the frick? Was that just the frick?
Now that's a victory royale.
Can I have 10 triggers?
Oh God. Oh Lord. Come on, Clayton, I swear. If I die, I'm even worse than Finn. No! I can't let them see me like this. Okay. Wait. It's okay. They probably don't remember me. Stop. Oh yeah. I don't know if this is copyrighted. My life sucks, and I'm going to give 10 reasons why. Number 1, I'm not actually going to list 10 reasons, idiot. Also, tomorrow, another Lumion Legacy video will be coming out. Not tomorrow. When I'm uploading this, you can't actually see it. Hold on. There. It's the 3rd, of February right now. And on the 4th is when this video is coming out. I think on the 5th there should be another Lumion Legacy video.
I love you. Let's be friends.
Oh God, dude. Hey idiot, I'm richer, ha ha ha. I'm richer than you, ha ha ha. Okay, so I'm going to draw. Stop. Taken there's a little stinky and there's still some poop leaking out, except there's also some pee, and then there's a little pee puddle that's on the poop, and then there's also some blood coming out as well. I don't know why. Oh, wait. No, I want to be in the picture. Please, oh, please don't look at my diarrhea. I was such a beauty. Haha, I'm in it. I wish I had this game. I wish it went like faster after the beat drop. That would have been sick. Why am I Sonic? I don't want to be Sonic. See, I'm not even in my Sonic costume today. Oh! Ha ha! Ha ha ha, Infinity. Oh god. Oh god. What year was this? 2019. Yeah. Oh god. Wait, this is the song I was jamming to. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh god, not again. My legs. Help! My legs! They burn! Oh my gosh. Frick. I'm stuck. No, wait! You dare! Oh my, we just counteract. You little. Hey, stupid! No, wait. See? Oh gosh, am I just there? Oh no. I found the meaning of life again. The meaning of... What the frick is that? The meaning of life is money. Oh my gosh! Dude, this is the face I make when I find the meaning of life. Never mind, the meaning of life does not exist. I would never die to this. Somebody just had diarrhea and it wasn't me this time.